Welcome to Jackie's Craft Table. Hello everyone, I'm popping in with a quick video today. I have Spellbinders Small Die of the Month for September here, and I just thought it was a fabulous set of dies. It's called Hello and Thank You, and there are 18 dies in this set. I'm going to be making a Christmas card with these dies today. There are 2 wreath dies in the set, and they cut out a diamond-shaped wreath, which I thought was really unique, and it kind of reminded me of the greenery you'd see on a Christmas wreath. So that's exactly what I'm doing. I'm also using some pattern paper from Spellbinders September card kit of the month, and I'm using some of their double-sided adhesive to adhere this down onto my white card base. I went ahead and cut everything out with the dies. The cardstock I'm using is also from the card kit of this month. And you'll see I have some Merry Christmas dies at the top left there. Those are from a previous Spellbinders card kit. I will link to that below. It's still available, but it was a fabulous Christmas kit. So I'm going to put my wreath together before I attach it to my card. Just putting a little dab of liquid adhesive on each end. But isn't that pretty? I just love the greenery on this. There are a lot of dies that cut out flowers that you can attach to this wreath. The die I'm using cuts out these little teeny buds, but to me they look like twinkle light bulbs. So I wanted to turn this into a cute Christmas wreath. I dotted the back of my wreath with glue, and I'll just lay that down flat on this card. This is going to be a very low profile card, not a lot of dimension to it this time. And then here are my little dies, and I'm just using the all-in-one tool to pop these out into my little heart tray. On my Etsy shop, I sell these little heart trays as well as a lot of different shapes. So if you're interested in something like this, go and check out my Etsy shop. I'm using some Copic markers to color in the little twinkle lights. And I will have the colors I use listed over at my blog. But I had to look up online what the colors were. I couldn't remember because we always have a white light bulbs on our Christmas tree every year. But I wanted to duplicate the traditional colors of twinkle lights. This is just a piece of cardboard that is the backing for the paper pad that I'm using to color it on. Now I'm just going to pour these into my little heart tray and get ready to attach these to my card. Before I attach the twinkle lights, I am going to pop out my sentiment die cut. I used some white cardstock to cut this out. I thought it kind of pulled in the border, the white border of my card. And these are going to be adhered down flat as well, just with teeny tiny little drops of glue. You could cut these out several times with your cardstock and glue them together if you wanted a little more structure and dimension to your sentiment. But I wanted mine to match the height of my frame. Okay, now for the fun part. I'm going to attach these little twinkle lights. I put down a little dab of glue, and then I can just press the twinkle light behind these little green stems. They look like they could be green wires on the twinkle lights. And it just adds some fun brightness to it. I just love how this card turned out. It's so much fun to put together. If I were to do this again, I would attach the little twinkle lights before I glued it down onto my card front because I had to finagle a little bit to push these behind the green stems. And here it is all done. For a last touch, I'm going to add some glossy accents over my bulbs. This will really help them to look like twinkle lights. It will also add a little bit of shine and a little bit of dimension to the card. I haven't used glossy accents in a long time, but it's such a fun thing to add to your cards. After I'm done adding the glossy accents, I make sure to put it away or up off my desk somewhere where I'm not going to set anything on it. And then I let it dry for a good hour. And this is my first Christmas card of the year. There's a lot more to come, I'm sure. I like to send out lots of homemade Christmas cards in the mail every year. It's nice to get a head start, though, so you're not doing it last minute. And here is a close-up look at the card. I just thought it was fun and simple and charming. So check out Spellbinders Small Die of the month for September. I had so much fun with these dies. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have a wonderful crafty day. Bye.